Here the user is reading their textbook. They highlight some text and click the assistant icon. The assistant discusses the content of the highlighted text and offers to explain the text stepwise. The assistant provides a notebook with a stepwise explanation of the content that has been highlighted. The user now has the option to either view the notebook with a stepwise explanation in a graph or have the assistant explain it on the current page. The user selects to have the explanation on the current page. In this example, the assistant offers a definition of the invisible hand in Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations. It also offers a diagram of the concept that the user can expand to view. The assistant also recalls where in the book the user previously learned this concept and how many practice questions they have completed on it. The assistant then explains another more advanced concept in the text, Friedrich Hayek's explanation of the invisible hand. The assistant will also recall where the user learned about this concept and how many practice questions they completed on the topic. The assistant can also identify concepts that are relevant to the highlighted text. In this case, Pareto efficiency and perfectly competitive markets. The assistant identifies that they are easier to understand now that the user has learned about the invisible hand in Adam Smith's Wealth of Nations and Friedrich Hayek's explanation of the invisible hand. It asks if the user would like to learn more about these concepts. The user selects to learn more about Pareto efficiency and perfectly competitive markets. The assistant provides a definition for the first one, perfectly competitive markets. It once again tells the user where this concept was learned and how many practice questions about it were completed. Next, the assistant teaches the user about the other concept, Pareto efficiency, and tells the user where they learned it and how many practice questions they have completed. The assistant then informs the user that they will be provided some practice questions on the topic in a week to ensure that they do not forget the topic. It also asks them if they would like to view a notebook of concepts about the highlighted text. The notebook is a knowledge graph of the concepts discussed in the highlighted text. They are placed in a prerequisite order. This means that nodes to the left provide necessary background information to allow the reader to understand nodes to the right. The highlighted text discusses Friedrich Hayek's explanation of Adam Smith's invisible hand. The notebook provides a description of Friedrich Hayek, the economist, and a definition of Adam Smith's invisible hand as prerequisites to the definition of Friedrich Hayek's explanation of Adam Smith's invisible hand. It also links to more advanced concepts, including perfectly competitive market and then Pareto efficiency. The assistant also stores this interaction in a tab called Conversation History, where the user can return if they want to review the conversation. Here we can see the entire conversation that the user previously had. Beyond helping students learn, the assistant will notify top students in a course, praise their hard work, and invite them to contribute to the 1Cademy knowledge graph.